What's going on YouTube? This is Tyrone Trinity, and if you click this video, you are a last minute shopper and you trying to get some stocking stuffer for that special guy or for that mechanic, whoever that is. So without further ado, let's go. Alright, so most of these tools are going to be under $50, and the first tool that I'm going to show you guys is the Bitboss. And if you want to know an in-depth review about this tool, check out Turbo Tai Tai on his channel. I believe Ernest Manufacturing sponsored him about this, and he showcases how good this tool organizer is for your bits. So this right here is $20, and it's on 2-day shipping. I bought this on Friday, got it on Saturday. So that is it for that. $20 for the high vis, $18 for the black, just all black. All right, so let's go to the next one. All right, so the next one is going to be a new tool from Titan, and this is the titanium version of this 1/4-inch mini bit driver. And I believe that they ran out of the titanium one. You can still buy it, but they don't have the titanium version of it now. The only thing they have available for Prime is the orange one, and you can get it before Thursday if you're watching this Tuesday, December 21st. And yeah, if you want to hear the ratcheting, and this is a really nice gift for that special someone, or a stocking stuffer, or a secret elephant something. I don't know what they play in the Christmas party, but this is really nice for under $30, or it is $30. So that's it for that. I'm gonna go through this real quick. The next one is gonna be what every tech in this industry need, and also a great stocking stuffer because it looks big. That's what she said. Is an OTC circuit tester. Right here is $30, and it does the most minimum. It doesn't have any voltage thing that those high premium test light's gonna be, but this does the job for a little circuit testing. It has a little ground in there, lots of little clips over here. So again, 30 bucks, 2-day shipping. Get that. The next one is probably the cheapest one in here, and that's gonna be a razor scraper. If your mechanic said they don't need a scraper, they're probably just an oil changer or a lube tech. But if you are changing parts or any kind of part changing things or techs in this industry, you will need some kind of gasket scraper. And when the carbide gasket scraper doesn't work, I can't talk today, guys. Then they have to use a blade or some kind of scuff pad, but a blade usually works. It takes a minute. This one has a little handle, so it will help that tech to get this job done a little bit quicker and safer because it's away from the blade. Here is 10 bucks in Amazon. It's on 2-day shipping, so if you order today, Tuesday, you probably get it on Thursday. Okay, so let's go to the next one, which is the Magery extractor. This one right here, it's going to be 25 bucks, 2-day shipping, and made in the USA. So if you're patriotic, try to buy somebody patriotic that they will appreciate. This is right here. I believe this is 25 bucks, and they ran from, you know, every tech out there have broken a bolt before. If they haven't, they're lying to you. Those ugga duggas will turn into zzz real quick, man. You know what I mean? If you're a tech, you should know what I mean. But this will help you save that zzz moment and give that foreman a break for that day. All right, so the next one is gonna be a little dull panel pry bar. I know Blue Point, Macco came out with this already. Flight Rate Master, CP the Tool Addict, and some of the other tool channels out there have this tool right here, or some kind of tool like this. This right here is 15 bucks, probably one of the cheapest tools out here that I'm going to show you guys. I'm gonna post a description down below because it didn't really have any company, but it is solid metal, and you can see it looks nice. It literally looks similar to the Blue Point one, which is a lot cheaper, by the way. And I know if you guys are like Snap-on fanboys, I'm offending you guys right now. But right here it's $15. And if you wanna, it's called Metal Magery, if you guys know what that means. But yeah, use it for door panels. 15 bucks. Stocking stuffer. It doesn't come with this. It actually comes with a case, but it literally is like a Ziploc bag and some instruction on how to use it. I mean, it's not. It's kind of a no-brainer how to use this right here. All right, so that's it for that. And the last one is probably one of the expensive one right here. It's gonna be the spring tools. And Clay Coon actually made a video about this a week ago, and that's the reason why I got this. It kind of goes hand in hand with this, because you know, when you break a bolt and you have to extract it, you got to use one of these, and you know, usually you had to use a hammer and a punch, but this, it's like knocking two birds with one stone. I feel like trying it right now real quick. You know what? Let's do that. Let's do this right here. So really just damaged my own tool, so but I don't care. So right there. So let's do one more. Let's see the structural integrity of this tool too. So so it's either this tool is really strong or it's not doing its, this tool is not doing its job. Let's do a little bit of a softer metal. All right, let's do this right here. So you can see there's no holes in that. There you go, right there. Let's use a bigger one. So grab another piece. So this is the first one right there. Now we're gonna do the second one right here. There you go. So that's the first one, the small one, and this is probably the second one. So again, spring tools in Amazon. I will leave the link down below. This is about 45 bucks, 2-day shipping. So if you get it right now, you get it by Thursday afternoon. That depends if you guys lose your package. Nothing is for sure in life but death and taxes. So if you guys like ordered this and did it come on time, that is not my fault. This is just the estimate time arrival is 2 days or 1-day shipping. So don't quote me on everything that it's gonna arrive on time. All right, so again, this is just all a suggestion. I'm not forcing you to buy this, but these tools are probably the tools that your tech will need, and stocking stuffer. If you don't have no idea what to buy, because he has everything already, believe me, these tools right here, they will appreciate, because not a lot of people have this tool right here. If they do, good for them. This thing just came out this year, and this tool right here just came out this year, and look how beautiful that is for the price. If Snap-on made this is probably like 300 bucks, and you'd be like, what? But somebody would still buy it. All right, so all right guys, so that is about for my video. If you guys want to buy a book for somebody who wants to improve their diagnostic skill, this book right here, The Fundamental of Electrical Troubleshooting, is a really good book. I'm not sponsored by this thing, but I just love this book because ever since I started reading this, it had been just phenomenal. It phenomenally increased my diagnostic skills, because fundamental is everything. If you don't know the fundamental, then you're just gonna struggle in this industry. So good good book, because it breaks it down for you. It's not really a book, and it's not boring, and it seemed pretty simplistic, but it works. So That's about it. This is depends on where you buy it. This is about 35 bucks when I got it. So again, under 30, it's a good tool to buy for that special someone. So that is about it, guys. What do you guys think about this tool gift guide thing? Do you guys want me to keep doing this thing right here, or this thing just whatever? All right. So again, my name is Tyrone Trinity. If you guys haven't already, subscribe to my channel, like this video, share, and comment. What do you guys think? Or what have you guys have these tools already? Comment down below. And my name is Tyrone Trinity. I'm out. Peace and happy holidays.